So, guys, as you all know about the T20 World Cup, so it's 28th Feb, and what the main thing? Okay, so as you already know that these long videos will be premiere on the month of June. But the main thing, once again, another main thing is that there's something which is the T20 World Cup, and tonight, there's a match between Pakistan and Sri Lanka, and there are some scenario for the Pakistani cricket team, that how they can able to qualify for the semis. So the scenario was that England must need to beat New Zealand in the 1 over pair, 3 over pair, 7 over pair, or 9 over pair. So um, that's what the equation was. And surprisingly, England have won the match against New Zealand. They were in a they were in trouble of losing the match. England were on trouble, but Will Jack saved the England, and they won all the three respective matches. And also, um, they won the match. Uh, they played the 20 overs, but they have won before the end of 20 overs. Like in the last over, they played only three balls, and in 19.3, they have won the match by chasing 160. So, um, and there are some chances for the Pakistani cricket team, and the equation is that England need to win the match around 55 to 70 run margin while defending the target, or if Pakistan gets the chase on in means if they bat in the second innings, and if they chase if they want to chase and qualify for the semi-finals, so they have to chase the target that Sri Lanka will give. They have to then Pakistan has to chase the target in 13.1 overs, and that's very difficult because um, every kind of batter is um, will take the time. Every batter takes time to settle on the field, and then they execute their plans and then do the power hitting. That's very difficult for Pakistan. But let's see if they win or lose. It only matters. It only depends on Pakistan whether they qualify or not. And this is the golden opportunity for Pakistan. If they can't able to take the advantage of this opportunity after England's victory, so no one can save them. So uh, so all the best to Pakistan, and let's see will they win or lose. Let's see. All the best Pakistan from India side. So okay, we have to check it out. Then Pakistan will win or lose. That's a very tough question to answer. So, anyways, bye guys. Okay, take care and peace. Okay.